The big weather headline today, the winds, gusty winds, and you've been tracking this, Mike. How high are we seeing gusts right now?
All right, we're seeing gusts easily climbing into the 20s and 30s, and I think they'll only get stronger from here. So there will always be a wind chill, and we're talking about snow as well.
Oh my goodness. So when do you think the winds will really kick into high gear today?
Alicia, I'm thinking those winds are really going to kick in a little bit later this afternoon. I mean, you can look at the American flag, and I mean, it's pretty much at a 90-degree angle, and it's just as gusty at the surface. Of course, we're aloft, we're pretty high up in the atmosphere right there, but we're going to see some changes. And that's going to be because the winds are really going to pick up around 45 miles an hour. Those gusts will be evident, I'm thinking, in the afternoon. I'll show you why in just a moment. This goes until 8 o'clock, the wind advisory, and it's no surprises for everybody in Metro Detroit because of these gusty winds. Here's a scenario for you. Over the next 36 hours, even though we have a wind advisory in effect for now, the winds tomorrow also look pretty strong as well. So wind advisory in effect until 8 o'clock, and that's because of the wind gusts that could easily climb into the 40s. Winds are going to die down for a moment. We'll have a brief period of calmness as far as the strong winds. But look what happens for your Tuesday afternoon. They really ramp right back up with that borderline wind advisory criteria once again. So 2 days in a row where it's going to be windy. And right on cue, notice that we have wind gusts anywhere from 31 to 32 miles per hour issued, or not issued, but reported just about everywhere, even 37-mile-per-hour winds, wind gusts, I should say, in Windsor. So let's talk about the temperatures, because as you know, with winds that strong, it's going to do a number on these temps. Yes, we're climbing well into the 30s today, but look what it feels like. 16 degrees for the wind chill, 19 in Mount Clemens, 21 in Pontiac, and 20 in Ann Arbor, even though the actual temp is 32. So it's always going to feel about 10 to 15 degrees colder than the actual temperature. And that's the wind. Let's talk about this. This is a cold front that's diving to the south. This brings our next chance of seeing some snow. I don't think we'll have to worry about it for this afternoon or this evening, but then late tonight, the chance or likelihood of seeing the snow really picks up. And it all depends on location. Right around 11 p.m., you'll notice the snow diving down to the south here. Then we'll see these snow showers kind of setting up. And with temperatures in the teens and the 20s, tomorrow morning, just be on the lookout. We could have some slick spots out there, very isolated, but they'll be out there. Another batch or a chance of snow mainly north of M59 to the northeast near Port Huron, Mount Clemens, and Port Sanilac. You'll have a better likelihood of seeing the snow on Tuesday, and then another chance of snow on Wednesday. That'll be courtesy of the lakes. So it's kind of a busy start to the week, even though we are expecting our temperatures to be above the freezing mark. 34 in Detroit, 33 in Ann Arbor, 35 in Adrian. The 7-day keeps us well above freezing today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, but all 3 days have a chance of at least seeing some snow. Then we'll spike near 40 degrees on Thursday. And there's a storm that we're watching. Latest trends keep it south of Detroit, but it's close enough that we'll have to keep an eye on it. That'll be for Friday as temperatures take a step back on Saturday at 29.